Best Beginner Adventure Motorcycle 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700. For aspiring adventure riders seeking a versatile, reliable, and beginner-friendly motorcycle, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 stands out as a top contender. Built on Yamaha's legendary rally-inspired DNA, the Tenere 700 combines off-road capability, on-road comfort, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to explore the world of adventure riding. Proven CP2 engine for reliability and smooth power. The heart of the 2025 Tenere 700 remains Yamaha's 689 cubic centimeters parallel twin CP2 engine, a tried-and-tested powerplant known for its smooth torque delivery and bulletproof reliability. This engine has been a favorite among riders due to its linear power band, making it easy to control for beginners while still providing enough power for long highway stretches and off-road exploration. Power output, around 72 horsepower and 68 Nm of torque. Lightweight and compact design, offers better handling and maneuverability for new riders. Fuel efficiency, delivers a strong fuel range, perfect for adventure touring. The CP2 engine's low-maintenance nature makes it an excellent choice for riders new to adventure biking. Balanced suspension and rugged off-road performance. The 2025 Tenere 700 is designed to tackle a wide range of terrains, from city streets to challenging dirt trails. Yamaha has equipped it with fully adjustable KYB suspension, 43mm upside-down front forks with long travel for better shock absorption. 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, designed for maximum off-road capability while maintaining good road manners. Lightweight chassis, ensures better control for beginners, even in challenging conditions. With a manageable 204 kg wet weight, the Tenere 700 strikes the perfect balance between being lightweight for off-road agility while remaining stable and planted on the road. Modern technology and beginner-friendly features. For 2025, Yamaha has refined the Tenere 700's technology to enhance the riding experience. Updated TFT display with smartphone connectivity, riders can access navigation, call alerts, and trip information. ABS with multiple modes, allows full ABS, rear-wheel ABS off, or full ABS off, helping riders gain confidence on different terrains. Improved seat comfort, more padding for longer rides without fatigue. Larger fuel tank, 16 liters, provides an excellent range of over 350 kilometers, 220 miles. These features make it a well-rounded adventure bike for new riders, offering comfort and confidence on both highways and dirt roads. Why it's the best beginner adventure motorcycle. Predictable and manageable power, great for new riders. Lightweight yet durable design, easy to handle both on and off-road. Simple and low-maintenance engine, reliable for long-distance travel. Strong resale value, Yamaha's reputation ensures good demand in the used market. Final verdict, a beginner-friendly adventure machine. The 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 is an ideal motorcycle for beginners looking to enter the adventure riding world. With its proven reliability, rider-friendly ergonomics, and all-terrain versatility, it's the perfect gateway bike for those dreaming of long-distance journeys and off-road adventures. Whether you're tackling twisty mountain roads or rugged dirt trails, the Tenere 700 is ready to take you anywhere.